Alright. Hotel Breakers. Let's go in. Take a tour here. Very, very busy Saturday. Get yourself a little safe. Hangers. Classic hotel stuff. Some shelves. Some towels. Provided extra towels because towels are not provided at the pool. You get a microwave, little mini fridge, which is kind of cool. It's got a little mini freezer. Most of those mini fridges are just fridges. Go into the bathroom here. Basic bathroom with a mirror. Get Bath and Body Works soaps. Not bad. Barrel of Fun, Cedar Point. Toilet. Traditional shower. It's actually a pretty decent shower, Delta. Not bad. Not too bad. And just 2 beds. This is a double queen room. Sorry for the bed, I already kind of been chilling. This is the Nikki. She's got some sun today.
Just a little bit.
It's actually pretty nice. Some hotels lack that. And you got the USB plugs on there, 2 extra plugs. Plugs on that lamp, plugs on this lamp. A twister on the TV. More plugs so you can charge everything. Everything you can think of you could charge. Nice drawers. I don't know if they're the no slam. Yeah, they're the no slam ones. So that's kind of nice. Just a mirror. You get a little table so you can have like your lunch or dinner or whatever there. It's a little raven. In the distance there, I'll zoom in a little bit. There we go. Some Velraven action. And what else can you see? Looks like the straight track of Corkscrew, giant Cedar Point water tower, little glimpse of power tower there, a little bit of Rougarou. It's not bad, but it's not much of a view. You know, pretty much parking lot on the first floor. But yeah, so that's the double queen room at Hotel Breakers. Not bad. It is a little pricey, but with the convenience of, you know, being basically across the street from Cedar Point, it's worth it. You know, it's not too bad. Alright, thanks for checking it out. See you guys.